have seen in an earlier video what to do when your engine cranks but doesn't start. Today we are going to follow up on this, but focusing on what to do when your engine doesn't crank and doesn't start and the immobilizer warning light stays in the immobilized state. With the car off, the PATS warning light will flash on and off to show that the immobilizer is in an armed state. Switch the key in the ignition to the on position. The first thing you will notice is that there will be no sounds from the fuel pump or the relays. The PATS light will still flash slowly as before. This means that there is no power to the ECU. If your vehicle has a Euro 1 ECU, check the following. Number 1. Check the power on pin 18, which takes 12 volt. Number 2. Pin 19 is the ground. Check to see if this is grounded properly. Number 3. The first pin to be powered is pin 27. Number 4. Then pin 46 will switch on the main relay, which will then give power to pin 37. If your vehicle has a Euro 2, the LED will flash a code 17, which means there is no ECU detected. Other Euro 2 codes that could flash are code 13, where the transponder is not detected. This could be a transponder fault or a reader coil fault. Code 14, the key is detected with a valid code but finds fault with the code. Sometimes it would also give this code if the key is not matched properly. Code 15, the key has not been matched. Code 16, there is a CAN bus error. And code 21, less than 2 keys are programmed to the ECU. Please like and subscribe. Keep on the lookout for more upcoming videos.